I said I don't know how to set it up on Amazon. I just answered a question. Where is Lee? Okay, wait. I think this go. Like, if I want to do advert for Starling Cup, I'm like, like, thank you, Tauba. Thank you. Answer my question now. What is your question? Minah is my in-law rich. I don't understand. I don't understand that thing that you type. I don't understand. I don't understand. I'm gonna do a yes. I'm gonna make a short. Do a photo shoot. I will do. I'm gonna once I end this stream now. I'll go and make a short video. From there, I'll get the picture there. Okay, he's my in-law to be a rich man. Are you rich? Are you rich? GR88, are you rich? Tauba, why are you greeting 407? 407 is not even here. Why are you greeting him? No, like, Capital, what GR88 is trying to say is that like, I don't even understand what I try to understand. But are you rich? That's the question. Hello, Rax. Hello, Aina. Hello, Aina. Welcome and thanks so much for joining the stream. Thanks so much for joining the stream. I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine. I'm fine. Thank you so much. I'm fine. So guys, have you don't take picture of me? Have you take picture of me? Have you? Thank you, Haina. Thank you. Taba, how are you doing? I'm doing fine, thank you. Oh. This system is not for me. 407. You know, Taba is not for you, okay? You need to look outside. Taba is not for you. Taba is not for you. She is not for you. Oh, thank you, man. Thank you. I did the makeup here on the stream. He's on the stream, yeah. I did it here. I just did on the... Take picture now. Take picture of fine girl. I bet you don't want to take it. Should I remove this one? Okay, wait. Let me remove this one. So you're able to take it very well. Oh, yeah. I did the makeup here now. Aina, I did the makeup here. Then you will rewatch it. That's just it. You do hashtag replay. That's all. Guys, let me go and make a quick let me go and make a shot. You know, I don't have another phone to make a shot, and it's still the same phone I used to make a shot. So let me quickly go and make a shot, then I will come back. You know, I'm posting for you guys now for free. I'm doing posts for you guys, like. Hey, GeForce, hello. What's up, GeForce? Hello. Alpha. How was school today? Are you good? Are you good?